Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I just like to show you how to make your TikTok account public. So let's begin on it. So first of all, you can see I just open my TikTok application and then go to my profile. So here you can see this is my TikTok profile, and on the top is showing private account. There you can see that means my account already private and I want to make it public. So for that I just click on this at the top right corner three line menu bar icon, then click on settings and privacy. Then there have an option, you can see privacy, select on it, and at the top option private account already enabled, and I just need to disable it, then switch. That's it, my account already public. So guys, in this way you can make your TikTok account public. So hope guys this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.